Hey guys, this Langley. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make chicken broccoli. So right now, today I'll be showing you guys what you need for your for your protein, like all the food you need to get more protein in one plate. So I'll be showing you guys what you need because like almost like a month ago I switched up my meal to like fuel protein. So I went from like 2 months ago, I'm from 160 to 175 right now. So I was showing you guys what I did within a month to get to 175 because I started having more veggies in my food, then so I can balance all the nutrients. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make chicken broccoli and everything you need in one plate. So keep watching and this should be fun. Onion, I have my sweet corn. This is everything I need. guys, so this is the end of the video. As you can see, I show you guys step by step on how to make this stuff. It's easy, there's nothing, no complication or nothing like that. So if you guys need any help, make sure you guys comment below and let me know what you need. Or if you guys are missing any step that you think I didn't show, let me know in the comment section. And make sure you guys, if you like that video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, share with your friend, and let me know how it tastes like or how long it took you to make all this. Probably your first time, probably gonna take it probably 2 hours because you really don't know what to do. So but after that, I promise you it's probably gonna take you at least an hour, because this only took me an hour to make. So as you can see, you have everything you need to get your diet right in one plate. You got your egg, your rice, your broccoli, you got the everything, you got the veggies, just to give you all that energy and the protein you need in one plate. So if you can eat this for at least just rotating at least twice a day, or just have different meal you try for a whole week, this is probably gonna last me for 2 days because I eat a lot, but because I'm probably gonna be eating some other stuff too. But yeah, definitely it's gonna last me for 2 days. But if you guys like that video, make sure you guys subscribe please. Make sure you like that video, share, and let me know what you guys think, and add me a snapshot. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys.